Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus 12R, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. So firstly, you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to insert one part of the brush into the connector, and then brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.